Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in ES6, use destructuring assignment to assign variables from objects. Destructuring allows you to assign a new variable name when extracting values. You can do this by putting the new name after colon when assigning the value. So, using the same object from the last example, we have seen the in last example how we can extract an object to value means a property value from an object. We are using the same object name, age, and the value John Doe 34. Here is how you can give new variable names in the assignment. So, if we want to give a new name for the name property, then we can do so using colon and then whatever name we want to assign to the variable. And same way here is used for age. You may read it as get the value of user dot name and assign it to new variable named username and so on. Let's see the task for this challenge. Replace the two assignment with an equivalent destructuring assignment. It should still assign the variables hi today and hi tomorrow, the values of today and tomorrow from the high temperature subject. So we first remove this and we will use const, and inside const we will after const we are using destructuring, and inside the braces we will use first extract today and give the name of the variable hi today, and in similar fashion we will use tomorrow to extract the value and then give a different name hi tomorrow to the object, and it will take the values from high temperatures constant. So let's run the test and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.